Good day, dear friends. Today we are going to do unboxing video. I purchased this sprout making jar from Amazon. I thought this is really a useful thing to have in our kitchens. Earlier I was making sprouts in a wet muslin cloth. Even that works, but I thought let me buy this. And it's not really very expensive. So we'll do the unboxing and check it out, what all comes with it and how to use it. Lovely green color. They have given a sprouting guide, how to use the bottle. Okay. For recipe ebook, we can just scan here and check out the recipe book also. And you can download it and then refer to the recipes. Now the capacity of this is 720 ml. It looks nice, thick and durable. And this way, this has got 300 hole mesh for airflow. Even this makes it easier to wash also. You can just soak the sprouts in it, put water, rinse it, drain it like this, and you can put it on the windowsill. This is BPA free and very safe to use. And the price was 283.99, which say 284. I purchased from Amazon. It's available on Flipkart also. You can buy it from any of these places. And it's really, I think, it's a very useful thing to have in the kitchen. Now I'll wash this and then I've soaked some moong, whole moong, and we'll try to see how long it takes to sprout them. Even if you don't have time to soak the moong, you can straight away put the moong in this bottle, pour water after rinsing them a couple of times, just close the lid and they'll get soaked and the sprouting will start afterwards. And this lid makes it easy to wash and rinse. You can just drain out the water this way. So now let's put these into the bottle. We love to have sprouted moong, sprouted chana. They are very healthy. You can make salads with that. You can make idlis and dosas also. There are a lot of recipes that you can use making use of these sprouted moong and sprouted lentils. Here we go. Just close the lid. And since they are soaked, I'm not adding any water right now. And tomorrow we may add little bit of water, just a couple of spoons. I'm placing this jar on the windowsill. There's a lot of breeze coming in here. Especially when there's sunlight, they sprout very fast. Now it's monsoon season, so let us see how long it takes. So we'll leave it for now and check it tomorrow. I'll share the progress of day 1, day 2, and let's see how long they take to sprout, since I'm also using it for the first time. After 24 hours, they have sprouted already. Let's check them out. Look at this. Such an easy way to make sprouts at home. But I'm not going to use them today. I'll let them stay for one more day. After 48 hours, they have almost doubled in quantity. The sprouts also must be little longer than yesterday. Wow, lovely. Healthy sprouts now. You can use them in your daily diet. Let's remove them into a bowl. This jar is really a very handy one. If you want to buy it, I'll share the link in the description box for you. Nice. Consuming sprouts are very good for health. They've sprouted very well. Moong sprouts are very nutritious. They are low in calories and rich in fiber and protein also. They are also gluten free and cholesterol free. We should include them in our diet. You can make lots of different recipes with these. Thank you all for watching. Check out the other unboxing and demo videos as well. Stay tuned for more. Have a nice day.